Welcome. In front of me I have OPPO A92s, and today I'll show you how we can enter recovery mode in this smartphone. So at the first we have to turn off our smartphone by clicking and holding power key on the right edge. Let's make it. Click, hold, and then swipe to power off. Right now, when our device is turned off, we have to click and hold power key and the volume down button at the same time until OPPO logo pops on the screen. So let's make it right now. Volume down and power key at the same time. Right now just release when you see OPPO logo. And as you can see, at the first we can choose language. So for sure we are going for the English, so we have to tap here. And as you can see, we can install from storage, we can make online update, wipe data, reboot, or power off. So as you can see, that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.